What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is follow these guidelines. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, share this video, and watch this video all the way to the very end, and look out for a code word that will pop up in this video, and then type that down in the comments below. And once I reach 5,000 subscribers, 2 people will get a chance to win some free money. So follow those guidelines and get a chance to win this free money. Now let's get into this video.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you this app that pays you $300 for free. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like, it really helps out my channel, and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. Now guys, I have a site I'm going to take you to, and this site is an app, and you can make some good money from this site. So please watch this video all the way to the very end, because I don't want you to miss out on this. And please guys, watch out for the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video so you can get a chance to win this free money once I reach 5,000 subscribers, which I'm 50 subscribers away. Thank you guys. Thank you for getting me this far. I really appreciate it. I'm going to reward 2 people as soon as I get to 5,000. I'll probably do a live show. So let's keep doing it. You still have a chance, guys. You still have a chance. So let's keep sharing this and keep putting down that code word. Now let's go ahead and go to this site right about now. Okay, guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is Foap. Now, I've talked about this website a long time ago, but I want to bring it back up because this is a site where you can make some good money. They have an app. You can use that app, and man, you're going to make some good passive income with this app. So let me go ahead and show you what this website is all about, and I'll let you know how you can make this money from this app without paying any money at all and without hardly doing any work. So let's get into this. So it says here, tell your brand story with your own customized visual content. Access a community of 3 million talented creators to equip your brand with tailor-made video imagery. So this website has imagery for companies, so they can come here and get this imagery and video, and they can highlight their brands like in maybe a little commercial, or they want to advertise their brand on Instagram or any other social media network, and they come here to get some tailor-made videos and imagery. So as you can see here, they're backed by these companies here. These some top brands: Nivea, Volvo, Heineken, and even look, this is Bank of America. So these some Fortune 500 companies here that's working with this website. So what you're going to do once you come here, you're going to click on where it says creators, for creators, and you're going to click on sell your content. It's going to take you here. Again, you can download the app at the App Store or the Google Play Store. So it's time to make extra money with your videos and photos. So simply upload your videos and photos and earn cash. When a brand, agency, or just anyone who finds your work outstanding purchases a video or photo from your online Foap for portfolio, we share the profits with you 50-50. So you're going to get 50-50. I know you probably want 100% of the profit, but this platform is doing all the work for you. All you have to do is provide the photo or video. So take part in creative video, photo missions for brands and win hundreds of dollars. So what you're going to be doing, a mission is where a brand is looking for photo or video and they're offering a reward. And that's what you're going to be doing. You're going to participate in these missions. You're going to upload your imagery. If you want to do a video, you can do that too. But you'll make money real quick if you just get a photo, and that's real easy to do. So get it now. While wait, Foap is a great way to turn your videos and pictures into dollars when you can spend on buying better equipment and becoming even a better video and photographer. So guys, here's a video right here. And matter of fact, look, it was on ABC News. And they talked about how you can make money with your phone just uploading pictures. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, I'm not a good photographer. How do I know they're going to buy my photos? I really am not a good videographer. I don't know how to take videos. So is this worth it? Yes, it's worth it, guys, because I'm going to show you a site you can go to right now and get the pictures and video absolutely free. You can download it absolutely free. It's free to use, copyright free, and you can make money from it. So let me go to that website right now. Okay, guys, I'm at the website, and the name of this website is burst.shopify.com. Now, let me go back here. Okay, so it says here, free stock photos for websites and commercial use. So they're letting you know right now, this is free stock photos for websites and commercial use. So you can use this, guys. You can use these photos and make money from them. So download free high resolution images. And as you can see right here, these are the popular categories right here that people are looking for. So let's just click on Christmas. Sorry about the noise in the background. I'm in an apartment, and when they're upstairs turning on the water, I can hear it down here. Sorry about the noise, guys. All right, so right here they have images. So these are Christmas images. Since it is Christmas time, these images are going to be real popular on their website. So, and matter of fact, after I show you this, I'm going to take you back to Foap and show you the missions and tell you how much you're going to be getting paid. So hold tight. So as you can see here, look at these pictures, clear pictures, and you can download these. You can download in high resolution or low resolution. Here's one with blur background and the cookies right here. That is looks good. Looks good. Looks very professional. So this is the website you can go to, guys, and get free images. And if you want to get videos, you can go to this other website called shutterstock.com, but I suggest you start off getting photos, which is easier to make money from. Now let me go back to Foap. All right, I'm back to Foap, and what you're going to do is click on creators and go to active missions. And here are the missions. So these are the missions where you're going to submit your photo and get paid. And look, right here is a lot of photos have been submitted. But look at the reward, $300. And you got 9 days left to submit your photo and try to win that reward of $300. But it even goes higher than that. Here's one, $800 is reward. And here's another one, here's another $300 reward. And here's one even higher than 800, $1,000 reward, guys. And all you have to do is read this. And they tell you what they're looking for. You go find that photo on bus.shopify.com. Upload that, download that photo, come over here, upload it, and boom, get paid. So that's all I'm going to say about this method, guys. So go ahead and go to Foap.com, sign up, join that site, download the app, use that app. You don't even have to, after you get the app, you don't even have to come back to this site. Everything is on that app. Go to burst.shopify.com, look for the image, download it, upload it to Foap, and get this money. All right, guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And please drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this app and this method. And please watch out for the code word that popped up somewhere in this video. If it hasn't popped up yet, it might still pop up. So you got to keep watching this video all the way to the very end. And please share this all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, again, thank you for getting me to 4,950. We're 50 subscribers away. Let's get there, because I want to announce the winners in the next video. So let's get there. Thanks again, and get your grind on, because the grind is real. Peace, and have a prosperous day.
Get your grind.